This is the gold 1 ounce 49999 coin from Czechoslovakia called Stand, issued 2022. Incredible coin, incredible coin. Reeded edge. Every year they come out with a better and better and better version. This is without question the best yet. That's one badass lion. The lion is a symbol of Bohemia, now known as the Czech Republic, and it's a symbol for power and sovereignty. The lion has a long and violent history filled with conquest and intrigue, which I've put in the description below, because today I want to focus on the crown that is on the lion's head. Incredible crown that actually exists, and it's called the crown of Saint Wenceslas, which was made in 1346 by Charles IV, who is King of Bohemia and the Holy Roman Emperor. He had it made for his own coronation and dedicated it to the first patron saint of the country, named Saint Wenceslas, Duke of Bohemia. And he bequeathed it as a state crown for the coronation of future Bohemian kings. It's made of 88 to 92% gold, and lots of it. And it's decorated with 91 massive precious stones, not semi-precious, precious stones, that has an estimated value of $4 billion. Large, flawless pearls, 20 of them, 19 sapphires, 13 emeralds, a humongous ruby, 44 other stones, weighing a total of 2.5 kilos. You gotta have a strong neck and back to put this crown on your head. Officially, the Bohemian crown of jewels are priceless, too expensive to insure at $4 billion. And unlike many other European royal treasures, the St. Wenceslas crown is not on display to the public. It's kept in a chamber at St. Vitus Cathedral, and its exact location of the chamber is not known to the general public, for obvious reasons. The entrance to the jewels is locked by several locks whose keys are held by the President of the Czech Republic, the Chair of the Chamber of Deputies in Parliament, the Chair of the Senate in Parliament, and the Prime Minister, including Mayor of Prague, the Archbishop, and the Dean of the Metropolitan Chapter of St. Vitus Cathedral. They're not messing around, man. It's hard to get all those guys in one room to bring their keys, you know what I mean? They're like, come and try to get this. Got to make a movie out of that. Anyway, the Czech Mint has an extensive experience in the production of bullion coins. And since 2017, it's been minting gold and silver Czech lions, each one being more cool than the next. They're becoming really popular to investors all over the world, including China, Hong Kong, South Korea, Canada, Europe, and the US. Besides their remarkable artwork, one of the reasons the Czechs mint investment coins are competitive to the Austrian Philharmonics, the Canadian Maples, the South African Cougarins, the Chinese Pandas, and the American Eagles is their low mintage. While foreign coins are minted in the millions, Czech coins are minted in just the hundreds or thousands. This particular coin I'm holding in my hand, there's only 2,000 of them, making them obviously very collectible. So I hope you enjoyed it. Here's the silver one. And here's the gold. I hope you found this interesting.